If you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.
Welcome to the Wisconsin Vegetable Gardener. I'm Joy Baird. For many of us, it is time to start some seeds indoors. We're going to start some leeks and onions. Now, if you choose not to do this, you can certainly go to your local independent garden center at the appropriate time for your region, and they will have these in bundles or in bulblets or little tiny bulbs, which I would recommend not doing because those are biannuals. Those are going to typically go to seed. Or you can, in the independent garden centers rather than the big box stores, a lot of times they will have trays or 6 cells of leeks and onions planted for your particular geographical area. When I say that, that means in the northern portion of the United States, you need long day onions. In the central portion, neutral day or midday, and in the south, short day. If you try to grow one versus the other in a different area, you're going to get green tops, but not much bulb. It's all based on the duration of sunlight during the longest portion of the day. So what I have here is a 10 by 20 flat, 2 1-gallon grow bags from rootmaker.com. We have done this particular method of planting for many years. We put all of our seeds, our leeks in one, onions in the other, and they will sit here until the time in which we take them and harden them off and plant them in the garden, which is about 12 to 14 weeks, give or take a little bit. So I've got a mixture of all-purpose potting soil, potting mix in each one of these, very moist as it came from the retailer, so I won't have to water immediately. Using seeds from jungseed.com. I'm going to use 2 different varieties of onions, Walla Walla and sweet Spanish onions. I don't care that they're going to mix together. They're just going to get put in rows in the garden, and when it's time for them to bulb, we'll know what they are. So you can do this in a 10 by 20 flat. You can do this in party cups. The method is the same, but we find that this works really well because you have about 6 inches of soil here, and they can grow, and at the time of planting, you tip it to the side, rotate the bag a little bit, and they start coming out very easily. So, just going to take, these were seeds from last year. Onions, you can get about 1 to 2 years out of them, so there's not that many in this one. I mean, there's 30 probably there. So all I'm going to do is, there's no method to this, just sprinkle them around, just as long as you don't pile them all up in one area. And then the other ones here, I'm going to use all of them up due to their age. Now, if you're kept in the correct situation, these onions would last potentially many years more. But I'm just going to utilize all of them. Much larger packet there. And again, just spread them around. Black seeds on black soil, it's hard to see, but you get the idea. Leeks, same way, but with the leeks, I'm going to use some in which I have saved from leeks that have gone to seed. Method's the same, don't need to show you that. The difference between the two is leeks, no matter where you're at in the country or the world, leeks are going to grow regardless of what latitude or longitude you're at, compared to the onions, which long day, short day, neutral day here in the United States. So leeks can be anywhere. These are American flag leeks. Now, one of the things in which I'm going to do is I've got to cover them. So I'm going to take some of this very moist soil and simply sprinkle just a little, as much as I can, on top of the seeds. If I get more in one spot than the other, it's not detrimental to the seed. It will still work and germinate. Just going to give a little pat down. And then you want to label these, because otherwise you're not going to know until they actually start developing in the planting stage, bulbing and growing. Additionally, what helps inside due to the moisture wicking out of the soil is I take paper towels. It's like a mulch. I will take a paper towel and I will layer it in, and you can do this on your seed flats too. This will actually help moisture hold into the soil like leaves in the garden does when you mulch your straw or whatever you use. Now, if the soil begins to dry out, you can water directly through this and it will become like it has a crust that will develop on the paper towel. And then about 14 days, you want to be aware, because these are going to start to germinate. That's when you want to remove the towel and either put it by a south-facing window or under some very reputable grow lights and keep them there until the time in which you take them out to harden them off and put them in the garden. In this seed flat, I've got plastic here because there's a couple of holes. So I just layer the plastic around and kind of prolongs the life of the seed tray as well. So some helpful tips on planting your onions this spring if you choose to go that route. Thanks for watching. I'm Joy Barrett, and this has been the Wisconsin Vegetable Gardener.